Today topic is electrode potential. We explain electrode potential. Here we write heading electrode potential. We write heading electrode potential. The definition of electrode potential is the electrical potential difference between we write the electrode potential, the electrical potential difference between we write the electrical potential difference. Here we write set of between the metal and its ions. We write the electrical potential difference set up between the metal and its ions in the solution is called electrode potential. We write definition of electrode potential. The electrical potential difference set up between the metal and its ions in the solution is called electrode potential. It is also called half cell potential. We write it is also called half cell potential. It is a potential. It is denoted by E. Electrode potential is denoted by capital E. Therefore, first letter is E. Now we define classification of electrode potential. Here we write there are two types of electrode potential. We write there are two types of electrode potential. First is oxidation potential. First type is oxidation potential. We write there are two types of electrode potential. First is oxidation potential. We write definition the tendency. We write the tendency of an electrode. We write the definition of oxidation potential. The tendency of an electrode to lose electrons or to get oxidized. or to get oxidized is called its its oxidation potential. We write definition of oxidation potential: the tendency of an electrode to lose electrons or to get oxidized is called its oxidation potential. Here we write it is denoted by EOX. E is electrode potential. First letter of oxidation is O and second letter is X. Therefore, we write EOX and we write it is denoted by EOX. Now we write general formula of oxidation potential. Here we write MS. M denotes symbol of electrode and S denote solid state of the electrode. If M lost electron here we and converted into ion, here we write MAQ. AQ indicate aqueous solution. Here we write N plus. This indicate the electrode of M loss of N electron. Now we balance the equation. Here number of metal M is 1 and here metal of M is 1. Here no positive charge, here N positive charge. Here we write number of N electron which neutralize N positive charge. Here we write Ne. It is a general reaction of the oxidation potential. Now we write example. First we write Zn is. This indicate Zn is a electrode in solid state. We study in electrochemical cell. Zn lost 2 electron and converted into ion. We write Zn2 plus. Here we write aqueous, which indicate aqueous solution of Zn ion. But we balance. Here Zn is 1 and here Zn is 1. Here no charge, here 2 positive charge. Now we write 2 electron which neutralize 2 positive charge and converted into neutral. Now second example is H2G. This indicate hydrogen electrode. It lost 1 electron and converted into hydrogen ion. Here we write AQ, which indicate aqueous solution of hydrogen ion. Now we balance the equation. Here number of hydrogen atom 2, here number of hydrogen atom 1. Therefore here we write 2. Here no positive charge. It is a neutral. Here 2 positive charge. We neutralize 2 positive charge by 2 electron. Both are equal. Type 2 is reduction potential. reduction potential. It is a second type of electrode potential. We write definition of reduction potential. The 10 density of an electrode. We write the 10 density of an electrode to gain electrons or to get reduced. We write the tendency of an electrode to gain electrons or to get reduced is called reduction potential. It is denoted by ERED. The general equation we write opposite of general equation oxidation potential. Here we write Mn plus and here we write AQ. Keeps MS. Now we balance the ion. Here no positive charge, it is a neutral. Here N positive charge. Here we write N electron and neutralize N positive charge. It is a general equation of reduction potential. Now we write example. We first example write electrochemical cell of cathode. Here we write copper ion and AQ. This indicate cupric ion in aqueous solution. Here we write CuS, which indicate copper electrode in solid state. Now we balance the equation and ion. Here one copper and one copper both are equal. Here no positive charge. Here two positive charge. Therefore here we write 2 electron and 2 positive charge neutralized by 2 electron. In the equation electrons are except, therefore this indicate reduction potential. Point 2 write H plus AQ gives H2G. Here one hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. Therefore write here 2 and 2 equal. Here no charge, here 2 positive charge. Therefore here we write 2 negative electron. Now we write heading next. Factors affecting electrode potential. We write the value of electrode potential. We write the value of electrode potential depends upon the depends upon the following factors. First is nature of the electrode. First factor is nature of the electrode. Second factor is concentration of the ions in the solutions. In the solution लिख दीजिए. थर्ड पॉइंट इज टेम्परेचर. These are factors which affect the electrode potential.